Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Bluetooth section under Wi-Fi and click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature to switch it on. After that, just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. In order to connect, you need to choose pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this gear icon next to one of paired devices and click on Unpair at the bottom. If you wish to connect to the same one, disable Bluetooth, turn it back on, click on your device and select pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!